Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable opening links in supported apps on the internet browser on your Android device. So this will apply for basically all Android devices like Samsung, Google, Pixel, that sort of thing. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do on your home screen is just swipe up and select the settings button. You want to select the apps button on this page. And then under general, select the default apps. And you want to select the opening links item at the bottom of this list. And you can turn it on or off for the whole Android phone by toggling on or off at the top. But you can also go underneath installed apps and make those modifications on an app level basis as well. So you can turn that feature on or off by opening up verified links within that app. So that's pretty much all you would have to do at this point, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.